Welcome to our class. I hope you are in the safe zone. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, children. Before going to the topic, I will ask you one question. Okay. What is your favorite food item? Tell me, children. Yes. Tell me. For example. First, biryani, dal. Okay. Ladies finger. Some more. Okay. Potato. So we have lot of food items. So in that we have only one favorite item. Not only one, more than one also we have. But especially if anybody asks about your favorite item, yes, first of all what we are saying. So which is our favorite? That is only we are saying, right? So that is only comes out first. So for example, I like potato. Right? So somebody like dal, somebody like lady's finger, somebody like biryani. Right? So many food items we have. Right? So here, so I am taking, for example, I like dal. Okay. So here a conversation between two children. So in our lunch time, so many children, you are also discussing with each other. You are asking your friend, hey, what is your today's lunch, right? So here also two children as like you, they are talking with each other in the lunch time. So those names are Akash and Alia. These are the two children of 4th class. Okay, they are talking with each other. So, what is a conversation? Conversation means two or more people talking with each other or expressing their views. That is called conversation. So, here Akash and Alia, they are talking with each other. So, here Alia is asking Akash. So, Alia. So, what she is saying? Hi Akash. Had your lunch? She is asking Akash. So, what she is asking? Alia is asking. Alia asking. Akash, had your lunch? So, then Akash is saying, yes, I had roti with auntie. So, then she heard a word. What is the word? Auntie. Auntie. So then, if we heard a difficult word from another people, so at that time only we are asking, what is the word? So what is the meaning of the word? So we are asking here also. So Alia asked about auntie with Akash. Okay. So what is auntie Akash? So then he said, auntie is a Maharashtrian dal. It is made with yellow gram and next spices, some mustard seeds. Do you know mustard seeds? So what he said? So auntie is a Maharashtrian dal. Maharashtra dal. So how it is made? It is made with yellow gram and spices and some mustard seeds. So and also he asked about Alia. Okay. So what he asked, in your region, what type of dal you are using? So what is the special dish? So then she said. So for example, see now, here different states different states in our India using pulses. They are using pulses. They are making different dishes. So in different states, so the dal is in different ways. So for example, in Punjab, they are calling dal makhni. What is they calling? Dal makhni. So in South India, where we have in South India only, right? So our Telangana is located in South India only. So South India, what we are saying? Sambar. Yes. Do you like sambar? Yes, I like so much. You also like so much. So here in South India we are saying sambar. Right. So this like in different states. So they are calling, for example, in Punjab dal makhni, South India sambar, for example, and Gujarat. This is also one state, right? So in Gujarat, Gujarati dal. What they are saying? Gujarati dal. So these like in different states they are calling like this, and they are making the dishes by using pulses and different types of spices. Okay, the process also in different way. Here our let's start our lesson. Dal delight. Okay, here one boy is there. So he is helping his father. So let me ask you a question. So do you help your parents in preparing dish? Yes. Okay. How you are helping? Somebody cutting vegetables, somebody bringing some salts or ingredients, right? So very good. So not only serving the food, you have to know the effort how it is preparing. So have you ever wondered in preparing your dish? Yes. For example, see here, one boy is there. He is helping his father to prepare the dal. Okay. So let's start our lesson. Dal delight. It is a small story about a boy how he is helping to his father to prepare a dish. Okay. Just listen carefully. See. Sadiq was sitting in his father's food stall in a small lane in Lucknow, brushing off files from a platter of biryani when he saw a man in a silk achkar get off a horse at their door. Two servants followed the man. So here, what is the name of the boy? What is the name of the boy? Okay. What is the name of the boy? Sadiq. What is the name of the boy here? Sadiq. So, Sadiq was sitting in his father's food stall. So, food stall nothing but where the foods are selling. Okay, like hotel. So, it is for example, it is a food stall. Sadiq is here. Okay. So, Sadiq is here. So, what he is doing? So, where is the food stall? The food stall is in the Lucknow. So, where it is? In Lucknow. Do you know Lucknow? It is a capital city now. It is a capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So, it is in the state of UP. UP nothing but Uttar Pradesh. The capital of UP is Lucknow. Okay. So in Lucknow, Sadiq is sitting in his father's food stall. Okay. So it is in Lucknow. simply leave them. So what happens? Some flies will come, right? And fall on the food items. So further here, what the Sadiq doing? So he is just flying of the, he is just brushing of the flies. And what is the meaning of platter? Do you know the meaning of platter? Platter. So platter of biryani. Platter nothing but what is the meaning of platter? Food served in a large plate. Okay. So if it, for example, just you assume it is a large plate. So on this plate the food is served. So then it is called it is a platter. So what is doing? He is just brushing off the flies from a platter of biryani. Do you know biryani? Yes. It is a one type of dish. So when he saw a man in a silk achkan, so he is just doing his work. What is the work? He is just brushing off the flies. So at that time he saw a man. He saw a man. He saw a man in a silk achkan. So silk achkan. Achkan means, what is the meaning of achkan? Achkan means a formal Indian, wait, 1 second, a formal Indian coat for men. So achkan means a formal Indian coat for men. So the Sadiq saw a man. Okay, so he is in a formal Indian coat. Okay, that is called the achkan. It is made with silk. So that man is get off a horse at their door. Two servants follow the man. So see here, if a man is looking very nice. So how we are seeing, for example, he is getting off a car. Okay, he is getting from a car. How we are thinking? Okay, oh, he is a rich man. So we are thinking like that, right? Suppose, for example, he is in dirty dresses. How we are thinking? She is a dirty fellow. He is a poor. Okay, so we are thinking like that. So by the dressing, just we are assuming. Same here also. Sadiq also just assuming. Oh, he is a rich man. So he is just thinking like that. And two servants. So the man have two servants. The two servants are following the man. Next, that man looks rich. Now only I told you, no? So how he is looking? He is looking very rich. Is he coming here? Sadiq wondered. So just he is thinking. He is getting off the horse and he is coming towards me. Is he coming here? So Sadiq wondered. And Sadiq's father, Muhammad Qadi. What is the name of the Sadiq's father? What is the name? His father name is Muhammad Qadi. So Sadiq's father name is Muhammad Qadi. Okay, Sadiq's father name is Muhammad Qadi. So what is doing? So Sadiq's father Muhammad Qadir looked up from the kebabs he was frying on a huge angiti as one of the servants came up and said loudly, Nawab Hasan Ali has arrived. So what is saying? So Sadiq's father Muhammad Qadir, what he is doing? Just he is looking at the kebabs. Do you know kebabs? It is also one type of dish. So his father, what he is doing? Just he is frying in a what is saying? Angiti. So angiti nothing but a small angiti, a small coal fire. That means he is frying in a dish. So on a fire, okay, on a small coal fire, he is just frying the kebabs. At that time, one of the servants came forward and just saying loudly. What they are saying? Nawab Hasan Ali arrived. So in olden days, when the king is coming to the court, so what the servant saying? Do you know Chandramukhi? In Chandramukhi, what they saying? Raja Raja Martanda is coming. So they are saying loudly. So when the king is approaching to the court, they are saying like that. They are announcing when the king is coming. So here also, when the Nawab is coming to the stall, so the servant announced